everyone, and of course, welcome to Christmas in the City right here in Biz Hub at LIMA Estate. Now everyone, can we all please give a big round of applause to our very beautiful and vibrant community right here at LIMA Estate.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So later as we light up our Christmas tree, sana naman po ay maalala natin kung ano ang tunay na diwa ng Pasko. Ang pagkakaisa, malasakit at pasasalamat sa bawat isa. Let's take this moment to celebrate not just the lights and festivities, but the people who make LIMA Estate shine.
Do you all feel the holiday season already? Yes or yes? 2, 1! Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome to Christmas in the City of Biz Hub at LIMA Estate.
Maligayang Pasko po! Ako po si Janine Bardin! Kamusta kayo, Lima? Maraming salamat po for having me. And ang ganda ng Christmas tree niyo, grabe.
Maraming salamat po for being part of this community. Let's enjoy the evening, celebrate together, and welcome the joy of the season here at our home in the South, Biz Hub at LIMA Estate. Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat! Merry Christmas! Happy holidays!